Hi there guys, welcome to Travel and Tech Videos. This is me Santosh Parab here, and today we'll be reviewing the MI Basic 2 speakers. For those ones who are looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker, this is the perfect companion for you. So without further ado, let's get started. Now I've ordered these speakers online from the MI website itself. They sent it to me in a very decent bubble wrap packaging. It costed around 1799 on their website. On taking out from the package, you have a pretty minimalistic box from MI, which has a MI logo on it, and it stays MI Basic 2 speakers at the front of it, and at the back you'll have the specifications written about the speaker. On opening the speaker, I was really surprised to see that how edge to edge this speaker was boxed in the package. Well, when I opened it, another surprise that I got was there is no USB cable or a aux cable included in it. Absolutely no accessories. Just a two-page brochure which talks about the gestures of the multifunctional buttons and other specifications which were written at the back of the box. In terms of the looks, the design given by MI works out really fine. The aluminium body finished to the rim to rim edges makes it look a very beautiful device to carry it around. A chamfered edge finish to the aluminium design makes it look really premium and gives a true sense of richness to the speaker's profile. It's good to see that MI has retained a sleek profile, a rectangular shaped design which they had used it for their previous speakers, as it makes it really pocketable and portable to carry it around. If I compare them with a day-to-day thing such as a wallet or maybe a power bank that you always carry in your backpack, you can get an idea how sleek it is. In terms of the thickness also, it doesn't occupy much of a space, giving you a really easy option to carry around. At the bottom of the speaker, you will find two rubberized spaces. These are for them to be placed on any surfaces. At the back of the speaker, you have an auxiliary cable input and a charging input. At the top of the speaker, you will be able to find a power on button, which also works as a pairing mode button. All you have to do is to hold the button for a couple of seconds. A red and blue LED flashes when it goes to pairing mode, and once it's paired, it goes to a blue LED. MI Basic 2 supports Bluetooth 4.2. It has a wireless range of approximately 10 meters or less. Let me tell you, it works pretty much fine if you're using the speaker within the room or maybe probably a wall apart from it. In terms of the battery life, MI claims that it has a 10 hours of battery life if you play it on 40% volume. I was able to get about 5 hours of playback time when I played the music at around 70% volume from the speakers, which I feel is decent enough considering a 1200 mAh battery in it. And if that's not enough, you can simultaneously charge the device and also listen to the music at the same time, which makes sure that your music experience doesn't get interrupted by low power. The device has about 2.5 watt drivers. Two of these drivers give a decent volume to the speaker. It gives a full-bodied sound when you play it at moderate levels. However, if you play the music on higher levels, you may suffer some distortion to it. Now the sound may also amplify if you place the speaker on its back. I did compare it with my previous speaker, which was Maxell BT03. I've been using this speaker for nearly 7 years now, and it hasn't given me any problems at all. While comparison, I noticed that there are few minor differences such as physical buttons presence on the speaker and the aux and charging port are placed on different sides of the speaker. Maxell has Bluetooth 4.0 in comparison to MI Basic 2 which has 4.2. Maxell do house a 3 watt speaker, so that makes about 6 watts altogether compared to Mi Basic 2 which is about 2.5 watts on each side. The side profile, if you see, it's pretty much sleek compared to this previous Maxell that I had. Apart from simple sound difference, the Maxell BT03 also has a rubberized finish running throughout the rim. Whereas in MI2 you have an aluminium body running throughout, giving that nice finish. However, doesn't make that speaker a shockproof one. But saying that, MI speaker is basically not for an outdoor use or for rugged purposes. It makes it more of a desk accessory or something that you used to enjoy music at your home while you use it for your occasional call purposes, as it has a built-in microphone in it. Saying that the microphone range may not be that great in comparison to other Bluetooth speakers, but you really can't complain. In this price bracket, MI offers a great deal. To compare it with the products from Zook, Anchor, or for JBL, MI does offer something which is a mixture of everything: looks, a decent sound, and portability. So on and on, MI Basic 2 speakers are for someone who's looking for a budget Bluetooth speaker under 2000 rupees. If you wish to buy these speakers, I'll be leaving the links below in the description box. If you liked the video, please feel free to give me a thumbs up or leave a comment under the video. Also, for more travel and tech videos, do subscribe to my channel. This is me, Santosh Parab, signing off. Peace out.